All right, here we are, day 12 of the build. This is done. Water, got our outdoor shower connection, fill. Clark's built the box for this. It's painted over there and drying. We're gonna finish out some framing on the inside of this one today. All this wall right here is gonna get shiplapped in because that's where our couch is gonna go and our Dometic cooler. This side's gonna have the kitchen, the whole kitchen sink, and we're having a little problem with the Webasto heater. We're not getting any fuel coming into. All right, here we are, day 13. I'm gonna have to splice because my battery died on the other one because it's cold as hell out here. It's 27 degrees, I think. I think we still have some ice on the ground. Yeah, nothing like a big old chunk of ice. Prove that you're out here working in the cold. Anyway, our Webasto heater in van number 1 is not working. Comes on, light comes on, and then we get this blinking error message that it's not getting fuel. Had to Google that. So anyway, I got a piece of their tubing. No fuel's going into the little fuel filter. So I know we got the thing on the native thing correctly. So I'm gonna do is hook up a piece of tube on the other side of the fuel filter and suck and see if I can draw fuel in and pre-prime that fuel filter. When I see fuel coming in there, then I'm gonna stop sucking. But anyway, we're waiting on that kitchen cabinet right there to come in, but this one's already in with the light drawers. Look at this, all nice and pretty. And this is their door here that goes on there, that goes all the way through. You can see the cabinet, a bike slide. This is on 400-pound slides that are 50 inches long that go all the way out. All that's done. Our headboard's framed in. Our electronic panel, that'll all get puttied and painted. Our hidden stuff, our Dometic cooler. We got the ladies some beautiful cushions ordered for here. They picked out a color called Paprika by Sunbrella, and Henna, I think is the other color. And Paprika was out of stock for who knows how long, because it probably all comes from China or some damn where. But anyway, so we got another, but it's a kind of a cool rust color. It's gonna look really good with this light gray. They're gonna go with the light gray mule bags. They're gonna go here. Now that we've kind of finished out some of the other stuff we need to get to, we can put our L-track on the ceilings where that's gonna go and finish trimming all this small stuff out. And then we're ready to get this thing painted. Get that other cabinet in here. We've already got the hole for their gray water drilled straight through there. And anytime we drill a hole, there's 2 holes in the floor of this thing. One for the Webasto heater, one for the gray water. That's it. Everything else is internal. Oh, check this out. It's like a little easy bake oven to make cookies. It's a oven, air fryer. What else? Bakes. Shit, I don't know. Anyways, they didn't want a microwave, and we found that thing, and it's gonna be awesome for them. So anyway, that's where we're at on the build. This one over here is coming together. We've already got the electrical box built. It's over there, dried all night. That's gonna get put in today. This one will not have the slide out, but it'll just have a good open garage. We'll put walls on either side so you can put tie downs in between them or whatever. We'll do the electrical panel over there today after we get all that framed in, run all the wires up. And then this one will be ready for L-track 2. We got to shiplap that in, but we are waiting on shiplap. So anyway, we're off to the races. Day 13 on 2 vans. We're rocking and rolling. We got to finish before tomorrow evening because Clark's going back to Texas. So we're going to be hauling ass. Anyway, everybody have a great day and stay warm. All right, here we are today. I got a busted blood vessel in my eye. It's nasty looking, so I'm trying not to look at the camera. Look at Jim up there. Hey. He's up there doing taping off around the AC unit. Let's see if I can. He's gonna put a tape off about 1 inch away from the entire thing, and then we'll go back. So we've already used butyl tape. We have done lap sealant, about 3 or 4 tubes per AC unit on each thing. I think we went through like 8 or 10 tubes of that crap. Anyway, he's going to tape off around it, and then we'll go back and we'll put Flex Seal, paint that on all the way around, including on the edge of the van. So he's taping off about an inch away so that it'll have a nice clean edge whenever we pull it off. We are also doing the water tanks, which are filling up, and it says they're at 1/4 of a tank. That is filling as we speak. So we looked in here, no leaks. That's a good sign. Just double checking everything. So anyway, we will keep you updated. Can't remember what day this is. We haven't worked on the van in about almost, yeah, we took 2 days off. Clark left to go out of town. We all had families that actually said that they wanted to spend time with us. It was kind of a rare moment, so we took advantage of it. But anyway, it's coming along. Painters are going to be here on Wednesday. So we're going to finish up all the shiplap trim around the edges. Anyway, we'll keep you updated.